there, crypto enthusiasts? If you're looking to master XRP trading on KuCoin in just 2 minutes, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need some funds to trade. Head over to KuCoin and use the Fast Trade service to buy stablecoins like USDT. You can also use P2P trading or third-party sellers if that's more your style. Alright, got your USDT? Great. Now transfer your USDT to your KuCoin trading account. Just go to the Assets tab, hit Transfer, and move your funds from your main account to your trading account. Next, let's get to the fun part, trading XRP. Click on Trade at the bottom, search for the XRP USDT trading pair, and select it. You'll see the trading interface. Don't worry, it's user-friendly. Look for the Buy section. Here, you can set your trade parameters. Want a market order? That's the quickest way to buy XRP at the current market price. Or if you prefer, set a limit order to buy at a specific price. Once you've decided, enter the amount of USDT you want to spend or the amount of XRP you want to buy. Double-check everything is right, then hit Buy XRP. Boom! Your order is placed. As soon as your order is executed, you'll see your available XRP in your trading account. Congrats! You're now an XRP trader on KuCoin. Before you go, remember to always verify your transactions and enable two-factor authentication for extra security. Happy